Welcome to 198 Dockham Shore Road in Gilford, a maintained gambrel on 1.8 acres near Lake Winnipesaukee. With 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, and 3,740 finished square feet, there is room to spread out. Inside, the main floor connects living, family, and kitchen spaces in a comfortable flow. Natural light, warm wood details, and a wood stove hearth give them timeless character. The kitchen opens to the formal dining room for meals and entertaining. The first-floor primary suite includes its own bath and closets, while first-floor laundry adds convenience. Upstairs, 3 bedrooms provide flexibility for family, guests, or a home office. The 4-bath layout also supports guests and busy mornings. The 900-square-foot finished walkout level expands the possibilities with a large recreation room, a quiet reading area, and dedicated craft space. A substantial workshop gives hobbies, projects, and storage a practical place of their own. The finished 2-stall garage offers storage above. A whole-house generator, efficient oil heat, a drilled well, and public sewer add confidence. Outside, the deck and awning overlook a private yard with mature plantings and pines. An outbuilding and carport add storage. Gilford keeps gunstock, marinas, shopping, and resident beach access to Lake Winnipesaukee close at hand.